Hello everyone. So next question, it is related to the passenger kilometer. Okay. So let us see the question. This is from 2018 question paper section A. From the following, calculate the total passenger kilometer. Okay. So under passenger kilometer, remember there will be bus and there will be number of passengers. Okay, and the capacity. Clear. So number of bus, it is 20. Number of days operated in a month is 30. Number of trips by each bus, one round trip. Okay, that is round trip, it is 1. Distance of route is 50 kilometer one side. It means one way it is 50 kilometers. Clear. Capacity of each bus, it is 60 passenger. Okay, the number of passengers capacity, it is 60. Okay, it means onward journey also 60 and return journey also it is 60. Clear. So let us see the solution here. First you mention all the information. What is our number of bus? It is 20. Passengers 60. Onward and return it is same. Clear. Days operated in a month, it is 30 days. Distance one side it is 50 kilometer and they have mentioned directly it is a one round trip. See, I have mentioned in this small diagram here from A to B. Distance traveled 50 kilometers. Passenger 60. Okay, while returning it is 60 only. Clear. Then calculation of passenger kilometer, that is onward journey. Okay, plus return journey. It is same into number of vehicles, number of trips into number of days. Okay, so onward journey means here it is distance into passenger capacity. How many passengers were there? That is 60. Clear. So distance traveled 50, passenger capacity 60 in the onward journey. So what about the return journey? Distance is 50, even the passenger is same, that is 60. Clear. And number of vehicle, how many buses? That is 20 bus. And number of trips, see number of trip we have to take the round trip. How many round trip? It is one round trip. Clear. Number of days, it will be 30. Clear. So 50 into 60, 3000. 50 into 60, 3000. First you solve this, you will get 6000. Okay. So 6000 into 20 into 1 into 30. Got it. So you will get 36 lakh. So that will be 36 lakh passenger kilometer. I hope it is clear to you. In the previous class we have learnt about the calculation of ton kilometers. They will be carrying the goods. Okay, here it is when it comes to bus, then it comes a passenger kilometer. Got it. Illi passengers bartade. Okay, see the next question. That is question number 4. It is from 2016 and 12 years question paper. Okay, see this question. From the following, calculate the total passenger kilometer. Okay, number of bus 10, number of days operated in a month is 28, number of trips by each bus per day 2 trips. See, be careful with trips. Okay, 2 trip anta kottidare. Distance route 25 kilometers. So one way it is 25 kilometers. Capacity of the bus is 50 passengers. Normal capacity 80%. So capacity is 250, but in this question what they mentioned, capacity is 80%. It means only out of 50, 80% were there in the bus. Clear. Now you mention all the things, that is number of bus 10, passengers 80% of the capacity. It means 15 to 80%. 40. Clear. Number of days operated 28 days. Distance they have mentioned 25 kilometer one side. Okay. And they mentioned here, see the question students, mentioned here what is the trips here, that is a number of trips by each bus per day through 2 trip. Okay, 2 trip anta kottidare. 2 trip anta helidre one way it is trip. This is return journey, 2 trip. Clear. 2 trip means one round trip. Clear. 2 trip anta helidre one round trip. I mentioned here, see here 2 trip is equal to 1 round trip. Clear. You can see here from A to B, assume A to B. What is the distance? 25. What is the number of passengers who have traveled? That is not 50. Don't take 50 because I mentioned only 80% of the capacity. So take 80%, that is 40 passengers. While returning also it is 40 passengers. Clear? Okay, that is calculation of passenger kilometer onward journey plus return journey into number of vehicles, into number of trips, into number of days. Okay. So onward journey ಹೇಗೆ calculate ಮಾಡುದು? Distance into passenger capacity. What was the distance? 25. And what is the number of capacity of the bus? 40 passenger. Well, returning also same thing, 25 into 40. And what is the number of vehicles? 10. And what about the trip? Round trip, it is 1. Number of days operated in a month, that is 28 days. Clear? So when you multiply, you will get here 25 into 40,000, 25 into 40,000. Okay, then multiply, add it. Okay, 1000 plus 1000, 2000. First you solve it, which is there in the bracket. 2000 into 10 into 1 into 28. You will get 5,60,000. So this 5,60,000 will be the passenger kilometer. Clear? I hope you understood. See, only you should aware about this trip. Okay, trips and the kotre 2 trip is equal to, it is 1 round trip. Clear? Okay, see the next question, last question. From the following information, calculate total passenger kilometer. Number of bus 5, days operated in a month is 25, trips made by each bus 4. Now you should tell me, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತದ್ದು 4 trip. 4 trips ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ how many round trip? 4 trip is equal to 2 round trip. Clear? 4 trips ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 round trip. A distance of route is 25 kilometer. It is one side journey. A capacity of the bus is 50 passenger. Okay, normal passenger traveling is 90% of the capacity. Hagadre, what will be the number of passenger who have traveled that time? 50 into 90%, how much? It will be 45. Clear? First you mention all the information. Number of bus 5 passenger out of 50, 90% have traveled. It means 45. Got it? Passenger. Days 25. Distance traveled 25. 4 trips and 30 round trip. 2 round trip. Okay, you can just see this chart. From A to B, distance was 25 kilometers. Returning time also it is 25 kilometers. What about the passenger? 45 passenger. Here also it is 45. Clear? See the formula. That is calculation of passenger kilometer. Onward journey plus return journey into number of vehicles into number of trips into number of days. Okay, onward journey only. Distance into passenger capacity, that is distance traveled 25 kilometers and number of passengers 45. What about the return journey? Return journey also same, no? That is 25 kilometers and number of passengers were 45 into number of vehicles. How many bus? 5. And what about the trips? Round trip, that is 2. And number of days which is operated, that is 25. Clear? So solve it. Okay, that is, I hope you all know how to solve it. That is 1125 plus 1125 will be 2250 into 5 into 2 into 25. So you will get 5,62,500 passenger kilometer. I hope it is clear to you. If you all have any doubts, please do ask. Okay, if you like the video, please press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.